Hi everyone, so today I have another unboxing for you guys. It's the Asus ROG Phone II. So the specs will be linked in the description below. So going ahead with the unboxing. You get a case in the box along with some paperwork. You have a phone itself. And you have a 25-watt charging dock with the cable. It doesn't come with the headphone jack. It depends on what market you are buying the phone. You might get the headphone jack or you might not get the headphone jack. The phone I have with me is a 10-cent model, so I don't have the headphone jack. You get a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED HD display on this phone, and it has an optical built-in fingerprint scanner. The bottom of the phone has the 3.5mm headphone jack and a USB-C port for charging. On the side there is a secondary USB-C port for the accessories. You have two air triggers on the top and on the bottom, along with the volume rocker key and a power key. The display of the phone is pretty good, and with this big screen, even in the direct sunlight, I had never had any problem using it. The icons itself are very colorful, crunchier, and it just looks so good to have a look at the display in the bright sunlight. Here I have a short video of PUBG gameplay on direct sunlight, and it was really crisp and the display was really smooth during the gameplay. I never ran into any issues while playing it even in the direct sunlight. So the phone comes with the 120Hz display. I have a demo over here. On the left we have OnePlus 7 Pro, and on the right I have the ROG Phone II. So the OnePlus 7 Pro has a 90Hz screen and the ROG Phone II has a 120Hz screen, so you can pretty much tell the difference. The call quality was also excellent during my testing. The phone itself comes with the audio enhancement, what they call as a TTS enhancement. So you can go to the menu and choose the mode you want. The phone has a dual speaker, so it's good to have this enhancement onto that speakers. The phone also has a 6000 mAh battery, which is pretty big for this phone, which will last you for 1 day of heavy usage, even with gaming, and even 2 days with medium usage. It has a LED light on the top, and it supports a 30-watt fast charging as well. The RGB light at the back is customizable, and you can set it to whatever you want in the menu section of the phone, which is pretty cool. It's certainly a head turner when you are using a phone in the public. The phone has a menu called Armory Crate, which holds all of your games and which you can launch while playing any games. So that's it for this video, guys. Please hit me up with any comments or question you have, and stay tuned for the short gameplay of Aspal 9 and PUBG Mobile. Thank you.
Team match, let's go. in the lead.